In this video, we will explain the operation of the graphics station in the TV studio. Begin by opening Final Cut Pro on the graphics computer. Under File, select New and then Project. Type the title of your project. In the upper left corner, click the Titles and Generators button. A list of title formats will appear. Select Custom. It will give you the most flexibility. Move the custom box to the timeline where you would like the title to appear in the program. In the Viewer window, select View. From the pull-down menu, select Show Title/Action Safe Zones. Type the title of your project into the text box. Select the font you want for the title in the pull-down menu. Set the font size using the slider labeled Size. Position the title by clicking and dragging the title in the Viewer window. Remove the Title Action Safe box in the View menu by unchecking Show Title Action Safe Zones. Adjust the amount of time the title should appear on screen by clicking and holding the right side of the title box in the timeline and changing the duration. When the title is ready, go to the View menu and select Playback, Play Full Screen. Then immediately hit the spacebar to stop the playback. When you hear the cue from the director, hit the spacebar again to play the titles. To start and stop the playback, use the spacebar. To return to start for the next take, use the Home key. To exit full screen, press the Escape key. To create an end credit crawl, select Scrolling in the title window and proceed as before. And that's it. When you can do these things without coaching, you're ready to be the graphics operator.